One morning, Duckling noticed something strange.
Mama, the pond looks messy.
Yes, it needs cleaning.
Duckling had a helpful idea.
Let's clean it.
Wonderful idea.
The duckling called all his friends to help.
Friends, help clean the pond.
They worked together to clean the pond.
Push, push.
Good job, everyone.
Slowly, the pond became clean again.
It looks amazing.
Everyone felt proud of their teamwork.
You did great. Teamwork.
Like, share, and subscribe for more cute adventures.